everybody, it's Mike Druge from RV right here at the Florida RV SuperShow here in Tampa, Florida. If you've never had a chance to navigate a large RV show, stick around. Let me give you a little tour and offer a few tips along the way to get your most out of an RV show visit. So come along. Number one, come with a plan. Who do you want to talk to? What do you want to see? These things cover many acres, many people. In fact, this year they're expecting well north of 100,000 people. That's a lot of folks to navigate, so come with a plan. Number two, take notes, take pictures, take videos. These things are all going to start to run together after a while. It's easy to forget what you saw, what was important, what you liked, and what you didn't. So take lots of notes and pictures. You'll be glad you did. Number three, make it a point to talk to manufacturer reps. There's a lot of sales folks here, but at these RV shows, odds are there's a manufacturer rep for every brand here. They know the product better than anyone. Ask for them. You'll be glad you did. Number four, purchase when you're ready. It's easy to be swayed by special show pricing, and in a lot of cases there are incentives, but do your research, make sure you're getting what you want to get. I always like to say, try to buy your second RV first. And lastly, attend 2 days if you can. Here at the Tampa RV Show, when you buy a ticket, you get in the second day for free. You'll be glad you did. You can pace yourself a little bit more. You really can't see everything you want to see in one day. So try to attend 2 days if you can. Finally, just have fun. Come out and enjoy yourself, talk to other RVers, see all the shiny new bright objects and have fun with it. I hope these tips were helpful for you when you go to either the RV show here in Tampa or any big RV show out there. I'll see you next time.